Started work on the Mercedes, and I'm going to be replacing, let's see, this ball joint. I've got the upper arm, so that'll replace that ball joint, and I guess the bushings in here, and the bushings back there. Yeah, the bushings back there. But the ones I'm not sure about ordering, I need to order these on the lower control arm, and here's where the lower control arm, here you go, attaches here, and there's a bushing in there. So the lower control arm front and rear bushing, I guess that's a subframe bushing, so I'm not going to worry about that right now. So yeah, there we go, the rear bushing and the front bushing. I need to order that. See, this ball joint boot has ripped open, started to rip open there, so I'm going to go ahead and replace that. And I'm going to put, yeah, see the arm, it's a little funny in there, so I'm going to replace those bushings. But again, on this side, same thing. Rear control arm bushing and front control arm bushing. I think if I replace all that. Now, I'm also going to replace that, I guess that steering stabilizer piston and maybe the center link. This right here that goes across. And there we go. I don't know if I need to do this one or not, so I'm going to leave that alone for now. I guess that's the idler arm. Anyway, lower control arm bushings that I need to order.